Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So you guys know that big lips are in trend. Everybody has them. Now they're getting like lip injections done, Botox and a lot of things. All that is really expensive, but of course makeup can make your lips look big, and that's what I've been doing. So I've learned the technique now. I'm going to show it to you. So let's start. So the first thing is you'll need a concealer. This is by Huda Beauty. So I'm going to apply some concealer all over my lips first. Just a little bit of concealer, not too much. Once you've done that, we will need a lip liner. You can go for any shades you want if you want, like red lips or nude lips. So I'm going to take this lip liner. It's from Kiko Milano. So I'm going to start with overlining my lips now. So you can go like really high, don't get scared. So you can see my actual lip is still here, but I'm like overlining my lips. Now I'm going to start shading this side, the inner corners. I am using a lighter shade so that it doesn't look too fake. So just like the inner corners here. And just make like 3 lines like this. So once that's done, so the lipstick I'll be using is this. It's from Forever 52. So you can see it is looking big, right? So you can also use like a lighter shade only here, this part, but I think now it's looking good because it's not that dark, the shade. But if you have a dark lipstick, you just use some light lipstick on this part. That's it. So that's how simple it was, right? You can ask me any questions in the comment section below, and if you want any more tips or anything, ask me. If you want to know about my next video, or if you want to give me any ideas on what my next video should be, please let me know. And follow me on Instagram, see my daily life there. It's Leena Official. Go follow me there and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Bye guys.